this time of year is a nightmare because it's not even 2:30 and I have to put a big ring light on, which is giving me really bad bags. Okay, excuse the lighting because it is 2:30 on a miserable day, so I've had to put all of my lights on already. But yeah, hello and welcome to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you for clicking on today's video. As you can tell by the title, today is a slightly different video. So as you can tell by today's title, Protein World have been kind enough to send me some goodies and we are going to do an unboxing, and also I'm going to do a taste test on the things they've given me. So here's the box. So this is the box. Shall we get a thumbnail? I'm excited to see what products they've got, and I'm excited to see what future products I can maybe do. I'm slowly getting into health and fitness and all this, especially because I've got a holiday coming up, so I can't wait to try these. So the box has been opened. Let's dive in. So we've got two items in here. So the first one I will speak about is this right here. I've tried to fix the lighting. I don't know if it looks much better or if I just look really washed out, but the joys of filming in Scottish miserable weather. But anyway, the first product we've got here is Slender Porridge. So they do have a lot of Slender products that are supposed to help with weight loss. I don't really use it for that kind of thing. I mainly use it for the protein because I do go to the gym. I try and go twice or 3 times a week. Emphasis on try. But anyway, so these are double chocolate flavour, 201 calories, low sugar and high protein. I have been trying to eat porridge in the mornings, but I'm honestly a bit bored of it. So I'm excited to try this out. I did almost get the they had a cake in the mug kind of thing, but I thought I could probably do with some more exciting breakfast, because breakfast to me is the most boring time of the day. I never find anything exciting. So we're going to try this out later on. I do have a little measuring scoop so that I can actually make these correct. So later on in this video you will see me. We're going to try it out and do a taste test and see what it's like. This is a suggested use. It says add 5 scoops to a bowl, add 150 ml of water or milk, heat for 45 seconds and then 45 seconds and then heat again for 45 seconds, stir and serve. So this should be interesting. It's double chocolate flavour, so I'm quite excited to try this out. I'm currently trying the porridge and it's really good. This is so good. So I highly recommend the porridge. The porridge really early in the morning. I recommend. Next thing I got, I'm actually going to try right now because I need a snack. This lighting is doing not wonders for the face. But anyway, so next up I picked up the Slender plant-based protein bars with chocolate chips. So it says 10 grams of protein in that, which is not bad at all. And chocolate chips. I think chocolate was the theme. There's only 2 things, it's this and the bar, but chocolate was obviously the theme here. Protein bar coated with milk chocolate and sweetener. So there's 10 bars in this. Oh, can I make a display? So there's the bars, and I'm actually gonna try it now because I'm hungry. And I figured I may as well. So I'm just gonna, obviously, I wouldn't eat none of this normally, but that's what the bar looks like. I hope I like this because otherwise I've got a lot of bars to eat. I didn't like it when I first bit into it, but it got better as I chewed. This is obviously quite good for like after the gym, because I don't really like protein shakes that often. It's not bad. For a protein bar, it's pretty decent. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. How rude of me. But it's nice to have a chocolatey fix. I'm pleasantly surprised. I can chuck this into my bag for work as well, because sometimes I forget breakfast when I go to work. So having something like this in my bag already. So if you are interested in trying any of the products from Protein World, not just the two things that I picked out, I'm going to go on there. I kind of fancy some new multivitamins because mine are definitely out of date. So I'm going to grab some of that and see what else they've got on there. Plus they have a cake in a mug, so I'm going to try that out as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my unboxing. If you do want to buy some products from Protein World, I do have a discount code which gets you 40% off. So the discount code is on the screen now and it will be in the description. Also in the description will be links to those two items there, and I might pop down a few things that I think seem like a good idea to try out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I am going to be doing some more lifestyle kind of videos because as I say, I'm trying to get into my fitness and I love watching lifestyle videos, so we may as well go from there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.